Okay, today we have another unboxing video. I'm pretty excited about this one because this is going to change my life. Now, what's in the box in front of me? Oh wow, that's upside down. Here we go. Now this is a key light, a battery powered key light. Now the Amaran by Aputure. Oh, I've been hearing good things about these. So the Godox 60 is kind of its competition, and this is the Amaran 60D. It's a little bit smaller, but anyway, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So this just came in the mail about 10 minutes ago. It's nice that it does come with a box, although I've got my own camera bag. I like to travel light, but look, it does come in this card case. Now, it does open up like this. Wow, there we go. I'm going to put it to the side so you can actually see what we've got here. Okay. Oof. You have the device itself. Okay, well then, the light ring. Spread the light. Okay, so this comes with this battery adapter, right, which has a V-mount, and apparently this side here also has a V-mount adapter, so that just clicks straight on there, and that comes with its own D-tap ring. Now, luckily I do have one of these batteries laying around somewhere. Here we go. Now it does take two. Now I'm going to be charging this off my battery pack, which will test if that works. Different battery pack. But we're going to see this one run on just one battery. I don't know if the two is for no. Okay, there we go. We have found that out. That needs two batteries to run. It does come with a power supply, so you can run this thing off the mains, which is great. I mean, depending on what you're running this for, if you're using inside scope, it comes with a pretty long power cable as well. Okay, pretty good. Oh, and then look at this. A nice clamp, and that will then just mount on the bottom here, and then we can clamp that on to whatever we like. Alright. This is where the real test begins. Now, as I said, I've got my own adapter, so I'm going to take off this V-mount and see if we can power this through one of these. So I bought a second one. In one of my other videos you'll see that I'm powering my camera and my Ninja with one of these. What I'll do is just take it straight out the back of my Ninja, plug this in, see if we work. Alrighty. Whoa, look at that. And then you can adjust the brightness on these all the way down to 0. There you go. But that's pretty cool. I am excited. I can power everything off this one battery. So check out my other video on the Ninja V, and I'll show you the battery I use. I will make a special video just for that. But for now, that is the completing of our unboxing. And I'm going to go play with my new toy. Have a good one, guys, and see you next week.